In today's video, you are going to learn the differences between common nouns and proper nouns. You will clearly understand what makes them different and how to use them correctly. But before we understand the differences, it is very important to understand what a noun is. A noun is a word that names something. It can name a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. For example, a boy is a person, a city is a place, a dog is an animal, and a book is a thing. All these are nouns. Now, let's understand two important types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. This is very important to make your English clear. First, let's understand common nouns. A common noun is a general name. It does not talk about a specific person, place, or thing. It can be anyone or anything. For example, girl is a common noun because it can be any girl. We don't know who exactly we are talking about. So, it is a general name that is called common noun. Now, let's understand proper nouns. A proper noun is a specific name. It talks about one particular person, place, or thing. It gives clear and exact information. For example, Ria is a proper noun because it is the name of one specific person. Now, we know exactly who we are talking about. That is called proper noun. Now, let's understand the differences between common nouns and proper nouns clearly. The word boy is a common noun because it can refer to any boy. But when we say Rahul, it becomes a proper noun because it refers to one specific person. Example, the word girl is a common noun because it can be any girl. But when we say Ria, it becomes proper noun. The word city is a common noun because it can be any city. But when we say Delhi, it becomes a proper noun because it refers to one specific place, particular place. So, the differences is very simple. A common noun gives a general name. A proper noun gives a specific name. Common nouns are not clear, but proper nouns make your sentences clear and exact. That is why we use proper nouns to give clear and specific information. Always remember that common nouns always start with the small letters and proper noun always start with the capital letters. Always remember that study is not hard. You just need the right method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep learning.